We're here with another Codewars challenge. This one's level 8. It's in Python. It's called Parse Nice Int from Char problem. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. Okay, so ask a small girl, how old are you? She always says strange things. Let's help her. For the correct answer, the program should return an integer from 0 to 9. So, okay, let's see what the heck we got to do here. Assume that the test input string is always valid and may look like 1 year old, 5 years old. The first char is the number. Okay, so basically just grab the first number from the string and return that as an integer. Okay, that's fairly straightforward. So we're going to take the first character from age, turn it into an integer, and return that. Okay, so age is a string, grab the first character, that's going to be the number, turn it into an integer, return the result. And looks like we got it. Not too bad.